Thanks for coming. Mark Manhart with the calcium therapy. I want to just show you something that's very clever. How to make it so that this is easier to get to you and less cost. And this happened because of 9/11 here in the United States. We were sending out bottles of things with the solution in it. And after 9/11, no more bottles of anything in the mail. So we had to figure this out. And it worked out beautifully for us. Normally we would put the calcium materials, and you could hear it in here, and the rule was when those granules were gone, dissolved, it takes a long time, then you've used up everything. And this would make 8 bottles. Keep refilling, Well, now we put it in the neck of the bottle, right here. You can probably see that yellowish area there. And we can put it in a measured way so that this one bottle will make 2 gallons of solution. 256 ounces or something. And here's how it works. You get the bottle, and that's the way you get it in the mail. Nothing. But it's right there. You fill it up, you seal this, and you be sure this is sealed. And then you turn it upside down and let it set overnight or for about 6 hours. And enough dissolves to make the solution exactly the way you need it. The water can pick up so much calcium and no more. It's reached its titer. Okay, you take it and you use it and you store it like this, just sitting upright. And you use it, okay? Then you fill it up again, put it on its top, and let it set overnight. And the solution is made automatically. And then you use it again and again and again and again. You refill it. 23 bottles out of this one. And the cost of it has gone down per bottle. You see? So we've learned how to do this with the Oral-Cal and Calotion, and we call this our upside down large size bottle, economy size. Try that trick. It's just very neat. calciumtherapy.com